Hey, 4th and 5th grade, this video is for reading day, or AMI day 9, sorry. We are going to be talking about the sound of S. Yesterday we talked about the hard C and G, or hard and soft C and G. So today we're going to be talking about the sounds of S. Oops, sorry, I didn't get the camera. Alright, so it says the letter, if you look at the top up there, in this little gray area, that's what I'm looking at. It says the letter S can make different sounds. There's 4 different sounds it can make. It says it can make the S sound you hear in sink, so the S sound. It can make the Z sound you hear in music, so you hear the Z sound. It can make the SH sound, so the sh sound you hear in sure. There's not an H next to that S, but it makes that sound. Then the last one says it can make the ZH sound, so Z sound you hear in treasure. So makes a Z kind of sound, treasure. Okay? So now look at this part right here. It says read the sentences below. I want you to circle the word or words in parentheses that best completes each sentence. So we're going to go through and circle the word that best completes the sentence. Okay, so we're looking at this. I'm just going to read it. I'm going to go over a couple of them, and then you will do the rest on your own. But I will read them for you. So number 1, it says, my family is always, please, busy, easy during the week. So that first one we got to figure out. So my family is always or please? Always. So circle always. Oh, I thought I had a pencil. So you're going to circle always. Then it says, my family is always busy or easy? Busy. So that's what you're doing. You're just going through and figuring out which word sounds the best. Number 2, we are not sold usually able to eat dinner together. So we are not sold, we are not usually. Usually. So circle usually. I'm not going to circle anymore. So circle usually. Number 3, that was why we make sure to have the Jenkins family game night once a week. So that is why, that was why, is. So circle is. So that is why we make sugar or sure to have the Jenkins family game night. So circle sure, that second word. That is why we make sure to have the Jenkins family game night once a week. Okay, I'm going to do this last one, and then you're going to do the rest of them on your own. Number 4. So September, Saturday, and Sunday are the 2 days that work best last for everyone. So if we say September and Sunday, Saturday and Sunday, yeah, Saturday. So circle Saturday. So Saturday and Sunday are the 2 that work or days that work? Days. Circle days. So Saturday and Sunday are the 2 days that work best for everyone or last for everyone? Best. That is what fits the best. Okay. Now, number 5, I'm just going to read them for you, and that's it. We order a cheese grass pizza, make a salad softball, and put some present music on the stove stereo. So go through those and figure out what word would best fit there. Number 6, we stack our favorite games on the kitchen table and share our wise news from the week. Circle the correct word. Number 7, there is no way to casual measure the good times we have during game night. Number 8, I think these are the kinds of classes, traditions I will have with my own kids one day. Okay, once you're done with that, flip it over, go to the next page. It's page 13. It says the sounds of S on the top of it still. All right. So it says, read each word in bold below. Circle the word beside it that has the same sound as S, or sound of S. If you are not sure, try saying the words out loud. I'm going to say them for you, but if you're not sure, say them out loud to yourself. Okay, so you're going to look at the bolded word, and then you're going to go across and figure out which one sounds the same. So remember, they make 4 sounds. So kiss. Is it singing? Shoulder? Shock. Which one is it? Singing. So circle singing, that first one. Okay, I'm not going to do any more with you. I'm just going to read them for you. Number 2, poison. Poison. Is it sure, snake, or yours? Sure, snake, yours. Number 3, casual. Casual. Is it sink, measure, or has? Sink, measure, has. Number 4, sure. Is it slime, surfer, or sugar? The word was sure. Slime, surfer, sugar. Number 5, tease. Tease. Is it those, usual, or sloppy? Those, usual, sloppy. Number 6, whistle. Whistle. Is it kids, hers, or silly? Kids, hers, silly. Okay, do that, and then we're going to go down to the bottom part. Now, what we're going to be doing, it says, read the sentences below. On the line, write the S sound you hear in each word for in bold. Choose from S as in slide, Z as in news, ZH as in casual, so it makes the Z sound, and SH as in sugar. So you're going to go through and you are going to figure out which one best fits there. Okay, now number 1, I'm only going to do 2 with you, because then you're going to do the rest on your own. So like 1 and 2, I'm going to do 1 and 2. So number 1, it says the dinosaur. Dinosaur. What is it? S. So just put an S right there. Now, comes. Z. Didn't make the ZH, it made the Z sound. So the S and the Z. So it says the name dinosaur comes from a word that means terrible lizard. Look at number 2. About 65% of dinosaurs were herbivores or plant eaters. Plant eaters. What is it? Z. Plant eaters. Okay. Now, I'm going to read the rest for you. I'm not going to go over them with you, though. Number 3. Pterodactyls were flying reptiles. Some had a wingspan 40 feet long. Some. Pick from the bolded ones up at the top. Number 4. The Triceratops had 3 horns and was twice as big as a rhino. Horns. Number 5. The Stegosaurus had sharp spikes on its tail. So spikes. Spikes. Number 6. Finding a fossil can be digging up a small treasure. So fossil, small, treasure. And guys, if you need to go back to listen to the video, Do that. You can do that. All right, guys, this concludes for reading AMI Day 9. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me or anything like that. Bye, guys.